Hi there, Shudh here, and today in this video we're going to make a complete table in HTML. So don't miss out this video. If you skip any part of this video, so you will miss a lot of things. So table is it's something important things in HTML, and to make it you need to use a lot of codes. So let's get started. I am Shuddha from Coding with Shuddha, and let's create our table using HTML. So to create our table, we'll open Visual Studio Code. Now I'm going to import my folder in this. So class 10, this is tutorial 10. I have already imported this, and I need to do one thing more, that is open our file and open it in Google Chrome and close this. Now here we shall create our table. So let's take the basic course of HTML. Delete this, delete also this. So now I'm going to give a title here, that HTML table creation. Now here we are going to make our table. So to make a table in HTML, we need to use a tag called table. So to create table, we need to add table tag. So write table tag, and here we shall get our table tag. And in this table tag, we need to add tr, and tr means table row. So write tr and you will get that. Now since this is the first line of our table, so we can use table heading, which means th. So I'm going to use this. So I'm going to use channel name. So this is, and copy this, and I'm going to write here subscribers. I have already opened a new channel named by Mr. SMS Coder, so please subscribe this channel to get more coding videos in Bengali. So this is subscriber, and copy this, paste. Since this is the second line of our table, so we can use table data tag, which is a data information. So td means table data. So here, and I'm going to coding with Shuddha. So this is our tag, which is coding with Shuddha. So this is our channel where you are watching this video still now. So now here I'm going to enter more td, and here I'm going to give 42 subscribers. So please subscribe more to see a lot of subscriber in this. So write a more here, and since this is the third line of table, so we shall use the td tag again. So write td means table data or information, table information you say. So here Mr. SMS Coder, this is, and now in this channel the subscribers are 4. So save this, and if you want to see the output in our browser, so refresh our browser, so you shall get our table. So now here you can see this is a table, but there is no border. So the main thing of a table is border. So to create a border, right here border 1, border 1. So just refresh and you will get your border. When we shall learn CSS, so then we shall style this table, and that will look a lot of better. So now this is our table. So this is a simple view of the table in HTML. So we can add more things in this. So if you want to style this, you need to add CSS course, which will style our this table. But now in HTML, if we create our table, so we shall get an output like this. So if you want to add some more table data, so you can add here at this. Will the height of this table will increase if we add some more table data in this. So this video was from here. If you enjoy this video, so please subscribe this channel to get more coding videos, HTML, CSS or JavaScript like this. So If you have enjoyed this video, so like this video and share this video if you want to share with any others. So bye for this day.